welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing easy experiments for at home. So let's get started. For this first experiment, you need to add 1 cup of cornstarch to 1/2 a cup of water. And you can mix with either a spoon or your hand, and I don't mind getting a little messy, so I'm just going to go in with my hand. So we're going to let it set, and then we're going to drain out the extra water. So we just drained out the extra water, and Oobleck is super duper cool because it feels solid, but then acts like a liquid. So it's super duper cool, something you can do at home. Really, really fun activity for you and your family. Now, on to the next one. So, for this one, you are going to need, it doesn't matter how much water you use. We just put some water in a plate, and you're going to need some pepper. You're going to pour a decent amount of pepper so that it covers most of the water. And then, dip your finger in some dish soap. Then, ready? Super duper cool. For this part of the video, you're going to need some water. It doesn't matter how much, but a decent amount. And some sort of artificial candy. Like, I think Skittles work the best, but I don't have any Skittles, so I use Nerds. You can also use Gobstoppers or Jawbreakers, candies like that. I'm going to add in the water. Kind of want it to sort of maybe like maintain the ring shape. You guys can make it into whatever shape you want. And then normally you would notice different colors come up, but I think I added maybe a little bit too many Nerds, and it made like a brownish kind of color water. Still pretty cool, not exactly a pretty color, but still super fun. So for this activity, you're going to need 1 cup of salt and vinegar, some paper clips, and it doesn't matter what kind of paper clips you have. You can use as many as you want. I decided to use the 3 because that's what I had lying around. Then you're going to need some old and like rusty-ish, gross kind of pennies, and you're going to put them in the water. Then you wait. So we waited about like 5 to 10 minutes, and these are the results. So they are still a little bit dirty, but they really improved. Like this is like the really gross greenish one. Great results. Now on to the next one. So for this next part, you are going to need an empty cup or jar, some hot water, and some really cold water. So, we decided to add some food coloring just to make it a little more cool and to give it some color. We'll also need a funnel. So for this activity, you first need to pour in the cold water. And I'm going to have an assistant help me with this activity. Then, you need to very slowly pour in the hot water. So guys, this one didn't actually work out. We tried, and you can really tell my fingers are like blue. And we did our best, but this activity didn't work out. That's okay.